most importantly, and I hate to bring this up because it always gets to me, most importantly, this is very personal for many Americans. We love our country and we want to protect our democracy.
No, he'll be fine.
These new voter ID laws matter because generations of patriots have shed their blood and given their lives for our country that is a democracy. Generations of patriots, including men and women in uniform, women marching for their right to suffrage, and people of color marching for the same. My dad is a World War II veteran, 2 Purple Hearts from the trenches of Western Europe. Daddy once told me that when bullets are raining and you're in your trench, orders are falling all around you and men are screaming for their mothers and dying, you just don't give a damn whether you're a Republican, a Democrat, an independent, a Christian, a Jew, a homosexual, an atheist, an agnostic. You don't give a damn about any of that. What you care about, and all you care about, is whether or not the guy next to you can shoot straight, whether or not he can hold it together through the tyranny of battle, and whether or not he has your back to help pull you out of the mess that you're in. So my fellow citizens, I wonder today, do we have each other's backs as Americans, and do we understand that we're all on the same side when it comes to preserving our union, our constitutional rights, and our democracy? Can we hold it together and honor the patriots who have come before us, who have sacrificed everything for us by setting aside our petty partisan differences to pull our country through the gargantuan messes that it's in right now? Well, I can tell you this, unless we know that our votes can be cast and counted, we will never, ever make it through. Democracies cannot function without the right to vote. Tennessee and Knox County are moving in the wrong direction, and unfortunately that direction is woefully partisan. To my way of seeing it, it's a slap in the face to my father and our veterans, living and dead, who served under fire and who put their country ahead of their political ideologies.
Yep.
Constructing barriers that make it more difficult to vote is one of the most uncivil and unpatriotic acts a person or a political party can commit. The constitutional right to vote and access to the ballot is sacrosanct, and we must stand together to ensure that our civil rights to vote is not obstructed or unfairly restricted, and that access to the ballot does not fall prey to partisan interests in an attempt to influence the outcome of elections by essentially stealing votes. So I ask you to demand that the Knox County Election Commission reopen the polling places that they recently closed and reopen them before the November election, and to demand that your state senators and representatives repeal the state voter photo ID law. Thank you very much.